It's Thursday night. Got the engine loaded in. Ready to take it to the rebuilder. Get some more video tomorrow. Here our Gearheads Machine Shop. Got our 351 unloaded. Northport, Alabama. They're gonna take it and fix it for us. Looks good. Anybody's got a tore down motorcycles and a 57 Chevy in the back, these folks are alright by me. About 3 weeks, we ought to have it. While we're waiting on the engine to be rebuilt, I'm redoing the fuel lines. The ones that are on there are fine. Some of the rubber connectors probably need to be replaced. Well, there's probably no problem too. But they're pretty yucky, but still functional. So I'm just going to take it to the wire wheel and clean them up, see if we can't remount them, reuse them. And the joy, this brake line that, anyway, pretty much locked in there pretty tight. Won't come out, stripping. Let's go see if we can get one off the other truck. I hope. We'll keep working that till we get it all the way out. It's coming. All right, we were successful. Got them both off. Got that one installed over there. I gotta go tomorrow, see if I can't find that other, I don't know what you call that thing. It's got that brass fitting where the both of them go into right there. One on our shelf over there I was working on, it's cut off, the tube's not right. One on the other truck's really not in much better shape, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up a new one of those. But yeah, brake lines are on. I mean, you can see that right there. But fuel line, got that part of the fuel line on, and it connects to another piece right up there. I'll keep working forward, but that's my goal, to get all this done while the engine builder is working on our motor. So that's what I've done for tonight. See you next time.